It looks like it's in real life. It looks really cool. I think takes you back in time, so you know what it's like. Really like to see the dinosaurs and stuff.
I think it's fab, especially for the likes of my friend's son who's autistic and he's like really into dinosaurs. It catches his attention.
It's excellent. I think it's very realistic. It gets the children engaged rather than a skeleton because they can actually see it.
The first time I've seen something like that, close up anyway, so it really adds to it. It gives it a different element, something a bit more like a personal touch rather than just looking at stuff. A lot of interaction included in it, so really good.
I'd say it adds a little bit extra for everyone, not just children, but everyone.